Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through the filter cleaning report so we can take a look at this information. So first thing we'll do is click More, Reports, and we'll scroll down. Also, there is a search bar here. If you ever need to search a report that way, that option is available. And we're going to click this report here in the blue that says Filter Cleanings Report. We click here and we're going to see every customer listed. And if they have a filter that's been cleaned, we'll see the dates of the cleaning for them. So we can see here first in this column, we have the customer's name. We can see we have the numbers of cleanings this year, the number of cleanings in the past 12 months, and the date of the last clean. And then we will scroll over and see past cleaning dates for this customer on this side of the report here. So every time you update a cleaning, maybe we cleaned a filter for John Doe here today, we would update this by adding a work extra and it would change the date here. Also, we have filters at the top to filter between both commercial or residential. So whichever option you're needing, you can filter there. We also have a search bar to search a customer. And we have a different list view. We can expand and contract, and we can export this list. So from here, let's go back to our home page and add a filter cleaning and see this page update. So we'll do a filter cleaning here for Mary Jones, which we can see right now. The last date was July 31st. So we'll go ahead and click back to our home screen, and we're gonna add a work extra. So we'll just add one for Mary Jones here. We'll select filter cleaning, and it's going to be here under our service items. And we'll scroll through. We can change the price or description. Now we see here we have this different writing down here just to let us know a little more information about the filter cleaning here. Now this is the original income item, and we know that because we have this special information listed down below. So if you do create a secondary filter cleaning item, just so you know, make sure you're using the original so that it updates correctly. If you do want to change the information about how this item looks, or maybe what the description or name is permanently, you can go to the income items and edit this, but this item is unable to be deleted, so just keep that in mind. So we're going to select the date. We'll say it's today, and we'll keep going through and save. So that was saved successfully. Let's head back over to our filter cleaning report, and this time we're going to access it through View, Reports, and then we'll scroll down till we get to that filter cleaning report. And we see our customer here, Mary Jones, has updated. Let's also look at the customer's name. We'll go to their dashboard, and we see it's updated here as well. So that's how you would update the filter cleaning report and what that looks like. If you have questions about how to add a filter tracker or anything like that, please check out that video or reach out to our support staff, and we'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.